All right. So in this last video of the section, we are going to look at something called the vertical line test. And this is just a quick and easy rule that you can use to decide if a graph is going to be a function. So remember, a function means the x's or inputs do not repeat. And the rule is written right here. I have three made up graphs right here. If you look at this first graph, the vertical line test, you have to draw a line straight up and down. And if you can ever hit a graph more than once when you draw a vertical line, that means that it is not a function. This graph right here, my circle, I drew a straight line, I hit it there, and I also intersected right there. That graph is not a function. The reason for that actually makes a lot of sense if you know what a function is from the last video. This isn't a very good graph right here, but let's pretend this was 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So this point right here would be like 2, 5, it looks like. And down here, this guy is 2, -3. So those 2 points that I just drew right there, boom, boom, have the same x. The x repeats, so it's not a function. So basically, when you draw a vertical line, it catches when the x repeats. On my second graph right here, anywhere I try drawing a straight vertical line, I'm only going to hit the graph one time, never more than once. That means that's a function. It is a function because my straight lines only hit the graph a maximum of one time. On my last example here, it looks pretty good at first because if you draw straight lines, boom, 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 only hitting one time. But in this little loop right here, if you get right in that part, you're gonna end up hitting a couple of times. Even though it's mostly good, this still is not a function because that little loop throws it off. I hit the graph more than one time.